Okay, I am not going to style for this application. Instead, we are going to use Tailwind CSS to style our app. So let's do it. Open your terminal. Once again, you can press Ctrl plus. Okay, once you do that, you are in the right place. Okay, in on terminal, on tab, you see my server is running, and another tab, our front end Vue.js is running here as well. Let's create another tab. Okay, let's go to client folder, Tailwind CSS. Okay, just write view at Tailwind. Still proceed. Okay, yes, we want to proceed. Okay, it's installed successfully. Once you install it Tailwind successfully, you see you have two file, that is processconfig.js and you have tailwind.config.js. okay, these two we need. Okay, in club I'm going to write some HTML. okay, so just create a container. It will add some space on left and right, and mx, that mean margin horizontally, auto dot empty, that mean margin top of 5, background gray. In Tailwind CSS, any color have 9 different value, more than 9 actually, I'm not sure. You can search on their website. It has 100 to 900, or you may have 50 as well. So you have gray of 900 mean most deep gray, and if you just keep it 100, and this is light gray. okay, you can go between 700, 200, 300, 400, 500 like this. You can't do like 740. okay, so you have to keep sure. okay, so and text, this is text color, and the previous was bg. okay, this is also a gray color of 300, that means it's lighter. okay, we'll have a heading with text to excel, padding 3, here gloves. okay, this is our heading. Now let's go below here, and this is our custom class I'm going to make right now. Forms, this is our custom class. Flex, this is coming from Tailwind CSS. Flex column, and width full mean 100% width. okay, items center, this item center is same as align item center. okay, now inside we'll have a box. This is also our custom class. Box, flex column. It's not working like this. okay, now let's do it by yourself with 1 divided 2 and margin bottom of 3. in here we'll have a simple label with the class name of text is sm, that means smallest text in Tailwind CSS, and after that we'll have first field as club name, and this is for name. Wait, okay, now we'll have a input with class of background gray and it okay dot padding vertically, padding py mean padding vertically, and this is rounded. It will add some radius, rounded, focus, and outline none, outlined none, and padding horizontally 2, and this is type of text, and this will have an id of name, and the next field we'll have is a button. Actually these two should be inside the box. Cut it and paste it inside this div before this closing div. Ctrl Shift I for rearranging your code, and here we are going to copy this and paste it here as well. Here this should be leak, and this is display flex call. Okay, everything looks okay to me, and the problem is this should be leak instead of name. And okay, now below here we'll have a button. Below this box we'll have a button dot background gray 200, much lighter gray, and padding horizontally 5, margin bottom of 5, rounded, text color will be gray 900, and text will be submit. Okay, save it and let's try it out how it's look. Actually here the problem is Tailwind is not working till now. That means all the class we have made, all of them are not working. This is because we installed Tailwind CSS but we never used it in our application, or we never import it in our application. So we must need to import this Tailwind in our application. So go to main.js from here at the very top. Actually let me make the semicolon because I like this way. If you don't want, it's totally up to you. Import /asset /tailwind.css, save it.